Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss few things that I feel will be very crucial for not only the Indian team but also on a particular individual, that is Hanuma Vihari. Normally, we speak about Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane, but if you look at someone like Hanuma Vihari, who's played almost, what makes it more unique is this boy doesn't feature in IPL, doesn't feature in limited over formats for the national side. Being a test specialist, and that too at a young, like when you're starting your career, this is just the beginning of his career. So it has both disadvantages and advantages. So advantages, if you perform in Test cricket, especially abroad, a lot of people respect you and you make a name for yourself. But the disadvantage is your name is not it's not circulating in that zone. A lot of people discuss about, say, someone like Rishabh Pant, someone like Prithvi Shaw, someone like Ishan Kishan or Surya Kumar Yadav, because they are performing in a platform where a lot of people are watching. It is the truth, because anybody who performs in IPL or when you're a regular feature in the limited over format, then people keep watching you, keep seeing you perform. That's when that whole that aura is created, where people start talking about you. But Vihari, I feel this series is very important for him. One, we will not have Virat Kohli. It's a big shoes that needs to be filled, and today he got a brilliant 100, but it is not going to be easy, especially in the pink test. He has to perform consistently well to survive there. He's someone like VVS Lakshman, I would say. Every game that VVS Lakshman used to play, it used to be a very important game for himself, because he was a test specialist. So it will go same with Hanuma Vihari. And now that someone like Rishabh Pant has got 100, so let's see how things turn out. Let's see what is in store as far as the first playing 11 is concerned. That is going to play on the 17th of this month. Let's see. So there's a lot of puzzle here. So everybody were talking about Riddhiman Shah and Vihari being in the middle order, but now we don't know, because in the practice game Rishabh Pant has got 100. Vihari obviously has got 100. He's done well for himself. But we'll see how things turn out, and what is going to happen after Virat Kohli leaves, because Rohit Sharma is going to join. But I personally feel Rohit is a brilliant batsman. He's done really well. But when you're talking about Test cricket, it is a different platform altogether, where you need to have a little bit of match practice. So hope Rohit is ready for the challenge. And saying that, I will definitely keep an eye on Vihari, because he's a promising guy. But as I have given you the scenario where it is like a double-edged sword for him. He has to perform consistently to be there and to be in the reckoning, because he is not a regular feature in limited over format and in the IPL. So it becomes important for him to every game that he plays, he has to deliver. So let's see how he is up for the challenge. Give him the opportunity, like he can play those practice games before the test series. And as far as Vihari is concerned, it becomes very difficult for him to play in the home series, because we play with extra spinner or extra bowler. So we miss out on one batsman. So that's where Vihari has to, get loads and loads of runs, and that's when he will get his chances when we're playing at home. And at the same time, when we go abroad, we play with one extra batsman, and then we have an all-rounder in Ravindra Jadeja, or R. Ashwin. That's how it is. And if Hardik Pandya starts bowling, he straight away walks in the way he's been playing. But we don't know about Hardik Pandya. But saying that, Hanuma Vihari, it's just that someone can take you near the well, but to drink water, you need to get the water out of the well. So he has to perform consistently, and nobody talks about. It's a very thankless job when you talk about a young boy like Hanuma Vihari. If he's getting runs, he will be picked. But if he doesn't get runs and team doesn't do well, though the first one who will be under the fire, under the line, maybe it would be Hanuma Vihari, because if you look at the test side, someone like Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane, they have done enough. And in the middle order, if you look, the new face is Hanuma Vihari. So it is very important for him.